Hello, my dear friends. Today we will learn meaning of depreciation. The word depreciation is often used in accounting and business. So let's begin. What do you mean by depreciation? Dear students, the word depreciation is derived from the Latin word it is depretium, which means reduction. Yes, depretium means reduction. So, where is reduction? In the assets. Every business concern, every business organization acquires fixed assets. So, for example, every business units, they are having their own assets: land, building, plant, machinery, furniture, fixture, vehicles, computers. So every business concern acquires some fixed assets which are used in the business for its trading activity. So it is a basic business of the organization, that is the buying and selling of goods, that is a trading activity. So while trading, the company, the organization, the concern uses various assets. These assets are purchased for business with an intention of permanent use. Okay, it means every organization, when they purchase assets, their intention is to use in the business and not to sell in the near future. So a company, organization may purchase the machinery, computer for use in the business, say for 5 years, 10 years. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, डेप्रिसिएशन हा शब्द डेप्रिटम या लॅटिन शब्दापासून आलेला आहे. त्याचा अर्थ होतो रिडक्शन, म्हणजे काय होणे? कमी होणे. डेप्रिटम, दॅट इज रिडक्शन, म्हणजे कमी होणे. नाउ सी another meaning. Working life of an all fixed assets except land, it is decreases with the passage of time. So what do you mean by passage of time? That is by the passage of time. As time passes, as year by year goes, the value of these assets decrease every year. Suppose if you have purchased a laptop or a computer in the year 2015, the life year by year goes on reducing. So the value of these assets decreases every year. So the reduction in the value of fixed assets due to the wear and tear or actual use, it is called as a depreciation. म्हणजे depreciation in Marathi we can say it as a घसारा. Okay, another word in Marathi, that is झीज. आपण वस्तू काय करत असतो? वापरत असतो, त्याच्यामुळे वस्तूची झीज होत असते. पॅसेज ऑफ टाइम, जसे जसे वर्ष निघून जातात असेट्सच्या किमती कमी होत असतात. कम टू द डेफिनेशन. The definition of the depreciation. Depreciation is defined as reduction in the value of an asset due to wear and tear, due to passage of time or obsolescence. प्रत्येक असेटची, संपत्तीची किंमत काय होत असते? कमी होत असते. त्या असेटची किंमत कमी होण्याचे 3 कारण आहेत. एक म्हणजे विअर अँड टियर, म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस आपण एखादी संपत्ती, मशिनरी घेतो, वापरतो, त्याची किंमत कमी होत असते. पॅसेज ऑफ टाइम, तुम्ही एखादी वस्तू, एखादी गाडी विकत घेतली आणि वर्षभर गॅरेजमध्ये ठेवली तरी सुद्धा त्याची किंमत काय होत असते? कमी होत असते. और ऑब्सोलेन्सेस, कधी कधी अनेक कारणांमुळे वस्तू निरुपयोगी होत असते. सो व्हॉट डू यू मीन बाय ऑब्सोलेन्सेस? इट इज uselessness. That is a obsolescence. So simple definition, you can remember, you can learn. Depreciation is defined as reduction in the value of an asset due to wear and tear, passage of time or obsolescence. Now come to the causes of depreciation. वस्तूची किंमत का कमी होत असते? इट इज अ नॅचरल विअर अँड टियर. आपण सगळ्या वस्तू काय करत असतो? वापरत असतो. पॅसेज ऑफ टाइम, इफ यू आर परचेसिंग a two-wheeler, if you are purchasing a four-wheeler, so by passage of time, the value of asset goes on decreasing. Obsolescence. So due to the new technology, the previous technology may get obsolescence. For example, due to the modern era and use of information and technology, now we people are using the computers, laptops, so the typewriting machine is now get obsolete. Depletion, that is the reduction in the value of an asset. Natural calamity, due to the natural calamity, there may be the harm to the property. There may be the price of the assets may get decreased. Market value of a particular asset may change or decrease all of a sudden due to the deflation. If there is any invention of a new product, so the old product's price may get affected. So these are the various causes of depreciation. Now see these pictures. Here the picture of one machinery, due to the lockdown or many reason, due to the passage of time, the machinery value of the machinery is going decrease. Similarly, here in the second picture, it is a crane that you can see, and by use of this crane continuously in the business, the value of the asset is also decreased. In the third picture, you can see a new car which met an accident, and right now the value of this car gets decreased due to the accident. So we can say depreciation means the reduction in the value of an asset either by wear and tear or passage of time or any other reason. So some other definitions we will see. Number one, depreciation is a gradual reduction, gradual decrease in the value of the assets. Dear students, the value of the assets goes on decreasing continuously from any cause. So this definition is given by the R.N. Carter. Sir R.G. Williams has given the definition: depreciation may be defined as a gradual deterioration, that is a reduction in the value due to the use. So R.G. Williams has specified the depreciation is only due to the use in the reduction in the value of the assets. William Pickles, he has defined the depreciation may be defined as permanent and continuing diminution in the quality, quantity or the value of an asset. Yes, it is a permanent and continuing diminution of the value of an asset in the quality and quantity or the value of an asset. In certain assets, if you are using continuously for so many years, the quality, the output given by that particular asset may goes on decreasing. So it is a third definition. See the another definition which is given by the ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. A measure of wearing out, consumption or other loss of a value of depreciable asset arising from use, inflection of time or obsolescence through the technology and market changes. So this definition covers all points. It is a measure of the wearing out. Consumption, it means the value of asset may be reduced by wearing out, that is wear and tear, or by consumption or other loss due to the depreciable asset arising from the use of effluxion of time or obsolescence. So what is obsolescence? Here you can see one is the picture. So right now you students are using the mobile phone, smartphones, but prior to around 20 years ago, many people were using the pager when there was charges for the incoming calls. Okay, so this is a pager, this is a typewriter. I think all of you are aware of the typewriter machine, and now due to the technological change, all people are using the computers, printers, but not using the typewriting machine.